Phrasal verbs related to school with sentences. 10 meanings you have to know. Drop out, catch up, hand in, fall behind, show up, bring up, take up, read up, speak up, put off. Drop out, to leave school or a course before completing it. Example: she dropped out of college to pursue her passion for music. Catch up, to work hard to reach the same level or understanding as others in your class. Example: he missed a week of classes due to illness but is now trying to catch up with the rest of the students. Hand in, to submit or give your homework, assignment, or project to the teacher. Example: please remember to hand in your essays by the end of the week. Fall behind, to not keep up with the pace of the class or the coursework. Example: he fell behind in math class because he didn't understand the early topics. Show up, to attend or be present for a class, meeting, or school event. Example: it's important to show up on time for the first day of school. Bring up, to mention or discuss a topic during a class or conversation. Example: the teacher brought up a new point of view during the class. Take up, to start studying or learning a new subject or activity. Example: I decided to take up Spanish classes. Read up on, to study or research a topic or subject in preparation for an exam or assignment. Example: she spent the weekend reading up on the history of World War II for her exam. Speak up, to participate in a class discussion or answer questions with confidence. Example: don't be afraid to speak up if you have a question or a comment. Put off, to delay doing something, like homework or studying, to a later time. He puts off cleaning his room until after he finishes his ride.